Taan ko kayo kung anong mangyayari sa pag-enroll ko dun sa dalawang bata. Guys, ito na ang nangyari. Disaster na agad. Hindi pa nga namin na-vlog. So, nagdala sila nito. Baked sushi siya. Iba-iba yung flavor. Merong sashimi, may avocado. Mimi, ang ingay!
She's unwrapping the seaweed.
Oo nga. Nagdala ng gift. And yung seaweed.
You don't like seaweed?
Thank you. Hi guys! Ay, nalaglag. Nasa labas na tayo ngayon. At tignan nyo naman, napakahangin. Windy ang ngayon, aming weather. Nililipad ang aking mother-in-law. Sinundo niya ako kasi...
Si Ola, sinundo siya.
Si Ola, sinundo ako kasi i-enroll namin si Aliyah at si Mimi para mag-swimming lesson. Oo, pati si Ola mag-swimming lesson na din. May discount daw kasi kapag kasama siya. So, nandito kami sa... Anong pangalan niyan, tita?
Sino?
Yan, yung pupuntahan natin. Marion Swimming Center.
Oo, Marion Swimming Center.
Marion Swimming Center. Malapit lang to sa amin. School holiday kasi dito. Ngayon guys, kaya naman maraming mga promo at maraming mga kids na yun din yung ginagawang activity para sa bakasyon. So, ayan, para matuto din lumangoy si Aliyah at Mimi. Kasi marunong sila pero may floaties. Sa vlog namin kahapon, kung nakita ninyo, nag-swimming kami, naka-floaties lang sila. So ngayon, this is a 2 weeks na session para matuto silang lumangoy. Hindi maging kagaya namin. Marunong din ako pero nakalimutan ko na. Okay. Aquatic Center pala. So nandito na kami. Yan yung mga laking slide na lagi naming nakikita. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang laki ng slide. Tapos ito. Yan siya sa loob. Heated pool daw yan, tita eh. Ha? Heated pool, balita ko.
Lahat yan heated.
Oo.
Lahat ng pool dito. Hindi pwede lang.
Heated pool siya kasi mas marami guys yung malamig na panahon dito.
Maski winter pa.
Oo, maski winter, pwede sila mag-swimming. So, ayan, papasok na kami. Kitaan ko kayo kung anong mangyayari sa pag-enroll ko dun sa dalawang bata. Ngayon, windy, tapos mainit. So, perfect yan. Huwag ka lang lilipa rin. So, iniwan ko pala si Andy. Iniwan ko pala si Andy. Pati yung dalawang bata sa kanya. So, ayan, entering. Mga subs, ako ay tapos nang i-enroll yung mga bata sa school at hinatid ako ni Ola dito sa gym. So, ayan. Sa kabilang side ako binaba. Ito na yung parking lot. So, since yesterday, mag-isa lang akong nag-gym dahil si Jaja full day yung kanyang work. So, alternate kami ni Andy. Ako sa hapon, siya sa gabi. So, ayan. Ang gym hour ko is 1 hour sa treadmill. Tapos, 30 minutes akong magbubuhat. Tapos, we are trying 1 meal a day. Tapos, the rest, puro protein shake and protein bars. So, yun yung aming susubukan para mas mabilis. And, ayan, naglalakad na ako. Tapos, sabi ko kay Andy, pakainin niya yung mga bata kasi lunch na nila. Tapos, ano bang nangyari pa today? Wala, yun pa lang. Siyempre, update ko kayo anong mangyayari ulit the whole day. So, for now, ako ay maglalakad sa treadmill at manonood ng Netflix. May bago akong pinapanood ngayon, yung title niya, Fool Me Once. So, pinapanood ko lang yan tuwing nag-1 hour ako treadmill para hindi ako naiinip. So, yun yung key. Yan yung pwede nyo ring subukan, mga zoos. So, I'm here na. Ayan guys, tapos na ako mag-workout. Ngayon dadaan lang ako sa Woolworths, sa grocery dito kasi may bibilin akong kung anik-anik. Kaya ayan. Susunduin siguro nila ako. Titext ko si Andy pag malapit na ako matapos mag-grocery kasi malapit lang naman kami dito. Kaya ayan. Sana bukas pa. Bukas pa. Bukas pa ang grocery.
Alright guys, so we're back home now from Woolworths and we got this gift from our friend Mac. He actually personally made this. He was telling us that he cut it out and I'm not sure how he did this. This is really cool. So he made it a personalized cheese plate. So, cheese plate, cheese platter, cheese board. Oh, yeah, we'll get it right one day. So yeah, now we're gonna add some ingredients. The kids stole the cheese, as you can hear in the background. So yeah, we're just gonna add some meats and olives and a few other things.
Wow guys, tingnan mo naman. Napaluto ako bigla kasi masisira na yung salmon namin pag hindi ko niluto. May asparagus pa, tapos may salad. Si King, favorite niya yun, di ba? Tapos ginamit ko na rin yung sinubukan ko. Ginamit ko yung cheese board na binigay sa amin. So ayan siya. Healthy. Healthy for today. That's my full meal.
Alright guys, so it's my turn to head off to the gym. As you saw, Diana went to the gym by herself because once again Jaja's working. She has work from Tuesday to Thursday, I believe, full, which the other day she did 12 hours, which is a lot. So yeah, we have to take turns in doing gym the next few days. We've only got 7 more days before something is happening once again. But yeah, we may announce it soon. I don't know when, but yeah, we're getting ready. We're trying to lose some weight again. We were actually in a stage of sort of just bulking, not bulking, but getting lean, but at a slower pace. So I still wanted to retain my muscle. But now that we have an urgent date, which is in 7 days, we had to sort of speed things up. We're on the OMAD diet thanks to Eruption. He sent me his diet that he did for his recent Australia trip. So we're giving that a shot. Hopefully I can get under 80 kilos before something. So yeah, I'm at 81.2, I believe, or 81.6. I forget which was the last count, but yeah, trying our best. Energy is a little bit low, but I do feel good because I just had a energy drink with 0 sugars. So I hope that will maintain my level of energy throughout my cardio. But I will try and do lifting. I'm only doing light weights now, 15 to 20 reps, just for the volume and just to, burn more calories. So we'll see how we go. I'm feeling pretty good, I think, in terms of results. So I just got to keep pushing. That's all. Push, push, push. And hopefully we will get sort of near. I know we're not going to be where we want to be, but as long as we're down from what we were, it's much better.
Maraming salamat kay Mac, kay Kathy. Nagpunta sila dito kaninang umaga tapos nagdala sila ng pagkain at regalo para sa mga bata. At saka syempre para sa paborito kong cheese board. Cheese platter, yung cheese board. Thank you so much and magkita tayo ulit soon. Tapos nga pala yung nangyari kanina tungkol dun sa enrollment ng mga bata para aral silang mag-swimming. Okay naman guys, bale once a week lang siya dahil masyadong maraming bata ang nagtatry na mag-lesson. So, ang pinili ko every Sunday para kasama daw si Ola at saka yung kapatid ni Andy dahil nag-work kasi siya ng weekdays. So, parang yun yung magiging bonding namin na mag-swimming lesson kami every weekend. So, yun naman yung maganda doon. Tapos tatagal siya ng 8 weeks. Nakakuha kami ng discount na 2 weeks. Kasi supposedly, dapat 6 weeks lang talaga. But since nag-enroll si Ola, may another 2 weeks kaming discount. So, kung gusto nyo din subukan po yung mga kababayan natin na bago lang din dito sa Adelaide, ayan po. Sa SA Aquatic Center po yan sa may katabi ng Marion Mall. So, ayan mga subs! Excited na tayong mag-swimming lesson ng mga bata. I-end ko na po ang vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat. And magkita-kita tayo tomorrow. Sa lahat po na hindi pa namin subscriber, huwag niyo pong kakalimutang pindutin ang subscribe button at syempre ang follow sa Facebook. Kaya, maraming salamat. Good night!